Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We're still in the gorgeous Malta and we're in the capital Valletta, so let's see Wagwan. Be careful as we cross the road. Very, very hilly. And we're in the main sort of square bit, so we're going to take a little wander around there.
We're going to go to the pub.
And yeah, find a pub.
No, we're going to the pub.
Oh, we're going to the pub.
What's famous hospital? We
are going to the pub, and this pub in Malta, Valletta, is famous because Oliver Reed, sorry. Right, let's get the actor and person right. Hang on. Yeah, of course. We're going to rewind. Oliver Reed passed away. So yeah, we're going to go check that out. So yeah, comment below if you've been to Valletta. That's the capital. It's early evening. We've got the last of the sun. And then we're going to stay here probably for the evening and then head back to where we're staying. We've got the ferry here, so there will be a video to show you that. And that was about 8 minutes. So yeah, really quick to get here from where we are, but you can obviously stay this side as well. Look at that. Very pretty architecture. Seems like the colours here is dark green, isn't it? A lot of the woodwork I've seen has been like a dark green. And some places they have like a rule where they have to stick to an aesthetic. So I wonder if that's the same for Malta. Because like I said, I have noticed. Yeah, let's have a look. Plaza. Palace is round the corner. Okay, so it's just another side entrance to the palace. The Palace of Malta. Look up there. Really pretty. It's like a little wonder. It really reminds me a little bit of Barcelona on their square. If anyone's ever gone there. Sort of like near to Ramblers and all that sort of area. Or a little bit of Marbella Square actually in Old Town. In Marbella. Really nice. Massive doors. Look at the size of that. It's like giants. I wonder how tall that is. Like what? 9 foot? That's probably taller than that. Probably much taller than that. Comment below, how tall do you think the door is? I do like old doors. Look at that light hanging as well. Ooh. So yeah, and lots of little like alleyways and roads of all these little kind of cute. Got a tikka bar there. Let's have a look what's down here. So this is your thing, and you like going to little areas like this in Europe, and you've yet to check out Malta. Book it. Weather's still relatively nice. Obviously it's going to be more expensive during peak time, but yeah, do your research, get some tickets and get yourselves to Malta. Right, music's a little bit loud, so I'm going to spin round. We are going to go around the square, but I just wanted to show you guys. So you got your little bars off the square.
I was going to show this, as he was walking down.
Wow.
So Sabrina's not showing the picture.
Kirk was taking a beautiful picture
of you guys.
Yes, there we go. We got caught on Wagwan candy. Very pretty barbers. Hang on, I'm just going to sort out my. Let's see like it's straight. Sorry guys, just going to recenter you. There we go. Little pizzeria. 2-for-1 cocktails. Lots of places doing that around this time. It's quite common everywhere you go, even obviously the UK. Lots of places that do shots where we're staying, so you can get like 100 shots for X amount. So we might do that later on tonight. Alright, let's keep going around the square. So yeah, really, really busy. See the main street down there. Already got the Christmas lighting up ready. Right, let's keep going. Oops, sorry. I didn't even say sorry back. Manners don't cost anything. Yeah, it looks like there's a wedding or something going on there. Oh, there's an ambulance there, that's not good. Fist up at the wedding. And then that must be the castle.
It's Queen Elizabeth there.
Let's go up and have a little look. I feel like I'm in Bridgerton or something. Very, very grand. Is it Queen Elizabeth? I don't know. She looks very, very proper though, doesn't she? Look at the bird perched on her arm. I don't know who she is. Oh, does it say over here? Victoria, there we go. Queen Victoria. If you got it before I came here, you get a point. So there you go. Wonder if this was her gaff, eh? Not bad digs. Not bad digs at all. Nice little area to sit. This is a good place to people watch if you like sitting having a coffee or a beer, a glass of wine, people watching. And this is the place for you. Right, in the corner there is a telephone box and a post box which really, really resemble home. So Malta did want to be part of Britain, but they got denied, but maybe some parts still live on. Right, let's go to the main central bit of the square. So yeah, I like that there's the phone box. Right, and now we're in the main square, I guess. They've got a big water feature in the middle. That building looks like it's under construction, not sure what that is. Nice little water feature over there. More from the wedding. That's a museum. Kurt taking his pictures. Big crane, again, another famous landmark. The cranes of Malta. Right, I'm going to walk down to this last statue and then we'll probably end it here. And we're going to start a new one to make our way to the pub. Literally called the pub. So who are these guys then? Just saw Queen Victoria. These guys don't look like, well, there's loads of them. There we go. There you have it, the gorgeous Malta Valletta, the main town square. Little cake box there. Christmas in the capital. Perfect.
Sunny day around the corner.
Show you guys that view down there. See the ocean in the background. Right, so we're still walking towards the pub. It's nice little bars along here. What's this one called? Pizza. What's the pizza places here? Not complaining, I do like a good pizza. There we go. Big green door. What is this place? Again, trying to get you guys so you can see the architecture. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that again. This is like the how not to, the redo of the walking tours Wagwan. Oh, it's a church of the Greek Catholic community in Malta. There we go. Oh, it's a big one, this one, the office. Yes! We only gone and made it. Right, so here we are, the pub. Do a little walk around and then we'll end the video, gang. Yeah, it's quite a cool join, isn't it? Right, well on that note, as we have now actually made it to the real ending, the beautiful pub, I will end the video. Don't know why I'm looking at a wall, I'm trying to spin it round, so it's not working. Okay, well, we'll go in, and I'll end it when we go in, it's a sign.
Oh, right, yeah.